Hi friends, welcome back to Custom IS. In today's video, we will see that Indian economy by Ramesh Singh. Is it enough for UPSC? This is the biggest question for most of the candidate. So I would like to inform you that economy is very dynamic subject. So we cannot say that any particular book is enough for UPSC. UPSC mostly asks questions based on basic concept plus current events. So let's see what is the strategy for Indian economy for UPSC 2021. See, we can divide it into two parts. The first part is static and the another part is dynamic. So first we will see static part. In static part you need to read the basic books, basic NCRTs, NCRTs of 9th, 10th and 11th. So 11th microeconomic NCRT is very important. Okay, after that you have many options for Indian economy for UPSC like Ramesh Singh and Nitin Singhania. Basically this book is recommended by everyone because it covers all the basic topics. Okay, this is the new book, you can go for it also. Okay, now let's see what is the dynamic portion. The dynamic portions mainly consist of current affairs. So from where you have to read the current affairs, you should read the Hindu, the Economist and other such government websites. You should read economic survey of government of India. You should read budget and you should follow current affairs daily. Okay, and also for prelims revision and mains revision you can prefer PT 365 of any one coaching institute. Okay, apart from it, what you should have to do to further enhance your preparation is to practice MCQ. You have to practice lots of MCQs. Okay, the more you solve the MCQs, the more you will grasp the subject. Okay, practice as much as mock test as possible. Okay, mock test is very important. So you need to do all of this to cover your economic portion for your UPSC, both prelims and mains. Okay, thank you.